Okay, here we have the bioamp located at a lift station out in Leisure Village in Monroe, Louisiana. Inside, this is what it looks like. The top part is your hopper that you put the bacterial pellets in, and then the little ball there is the feeder that's controlled by the computer, and then your mixing chamber that is refilled and recycled every 24 hours, and then it dumps 31 or 32 trillion bacteria down the drain and into your grease trap or lift station or whatever it is you've got the problems with. You may not be able to see real well down here. This particular lift station was impacted with grease, and about 90 days ago we started this thing up. Well, actually about 120 days ago started it up, and it has made a tremendous difference in the operation of the plant so far. The feeder itself, the bioamp, very simple, okay, clean and neat to operate. It comes fully equipped and ready to go. It will have this hopper in it up here and this unit, but the hopper will naturally be empty. Also included in it is this Z-bar device, what I call a Z-bar. It's really more in the shape of I guess a lazy L, but and then this package of hardware. It's quite simple. This bar mounts on the wall, level, of course. Okay, the screws for the bar are in this bag, and then the unit itself hangs right on that bar, which is all stainless steel. Okay, just that simple. You attach your water and your electrical supply, and then start programming through the steps of the computer for first startup. What will happen is you'll fill this hopper with pellets, and you'll see a demonstration of that later, how to do that, and slide it into the mechanism. It just lifts this up and it slides right in, engages with the little gear motor in the back there, and then you start it through its steps, and then it takes about 5 minutes. It will go through the program, it will check the water, the fill rate, all the rest of that stuff, move through its steps, and the last step is this little wheel here will rotate up, pellets will start to fall, and then you'll hear a rattling sound, and that rattling sound is a vibrator. Located right back here. I don't know whether you can see it. Let me turn this light on, maybe you'll be able to see it better. But there's a little hammer right back here, a little vibrator, and it pounds on the side of your hopper here, much like a tank truck driver, if you've ever seen them do it when they're emptying they'll go around and beat on the side of their tank with a hammer or something to start the vibrations. It works the same way, because what it causes all these pellets to fall down towards the feeding chamber, and then when it's had time to fill, it rotates back 180 degrees, dumps the pellets in the water, and then rotates back 90 degrees, ready for another cycle, and then your vortex motor and everything kick on and start adding oxygen to the water and circulating it, and it has a 24-hour growing period, and your computer will keep track of that for you. I don't know whether you can read that or not. It's 11 hours into a 24-hour growing cycle right now. Okay, it keeps track of all that information for you. One important thing is every now and then this tank unit will need cleaning. Okay, and there's a process in your computer for the cleaning cycle and everything. But it's all set up, and it's once it's running, it's pretty much automatic. There's a few adjustments you can make as far as rinse cycles and stuff like that, but very easy to service. The field rep will be sent a duplicate hopper and feeding ball so that he'll have one ready to go, a clean one, to replace this one every 30 days. And he just slide the old one out, put the new one in, and then take it back and clean it up. And it's ready to go for the next job. All right. Anyway, I haven't had any trouble with them. Vortex works. This is where it's adding more oxygen to the water and keeping everything going. That's the key to this is the oxygen that it's growing in. That's how it grows the bacteria as fast and as strong as it can. All right. That's all for now. I'll go through cleaning cycles and adding pellets and stuff on another video. Thanks.